Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ah. Welcome around the world and welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to Healthy G Moms. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you very much. I certainly appreciate you. And to all my old school ride-or-dies subscribers, yes, indeed, you make my heart beat, beat. I am so thankful and grateful for all of you guys. Shout out to you from Los Angeles, California. And it is a cold day. You see, I got my little snow jacket today. You know, us LA folks, we're not used to being so cold, but it is absolutely a little cold here early in the morning. They say later on today it'll probably get up into 70, but right now it's about 60 something. And it's cold to Healthy G Mom. But let me get this party started because I want to show you guys something very important that can help your channel, right? So I've been looking at a lot of like my members and just people in general. I watch videos, and the thumbnail is very important, but there's also a thing called the end screen, right? The end screen, meaning at the end of your video, it's a screen that displays and it would lead you to another video. So a lot of people are not doing that. So I want to show you guys. Remember, I'm all about each one, teach one, right? And so I'm going to show you how you can go about doing this. Now I'm going to go to my computer. So again, excuse my background. Again, I got a lot of stuff going on, making vinegar and kombucha, right? So here, look at my screen, and we're going to go over here, and if you can see, we're going to go to, you see where it says YouTube, right? The YouTube icon. So you just start on, like in your area here, you click on YouTube, right? And now I'm going to search for, and we'll go here, we're going to search for when you go to YouTube, it's automatically pop up. I'm going to click on where you see my picture, my circle right here, and I'm going to go down to the YouTube studio, right? Right? And so then you go to YouTube studio, and in here, you'll see where it says content. So we're going to pick a video. So I'll probably find this due to the last video I just did, which is the how to put ads on your video. So we'll go to the dashboard, you know, underneath my UCLA banner, underneath where it says YouTube Studio and your video. On your left side of your screen, it's going to say dashboard, and then you see a word that's called content, right? Click on content. Now, all your content is going to display, populate, however you want to say it. It's just going to come up, right? And so I'm going to click on that video. You can click on it or you can click the editing. Editing is details, however you do it. Just click on it. And when you click on it, you'll see on your left screen, you'll see where it says channel content underneath the studio. You see video details, right? And then that's all on the left side. Now you can go down here and you see a whole bunch of things that tell you the monetization, analytics, and then in the middle, you'll see your title, the descriptions. Now, on your right side of the screen, underneath where it says your circle, you'll see your video again. So remember, you're going to see your video here on the content, the channel content, and over here, you want to go where it says undo changes or save. So I have the video on both sides, right? And so if you cursor down on the right side, you're going to see, keep going, it's going to say public, it's going to say subtitles, and you see this word right here, end screen, right? You're going to click on end screen. But before we click on that, I want to show you real quick. You see where it says thumbnail, and it's breaking down the old videos. Look at this. See, it has certain areas of your video. So I should have said, this video is 11 minutes and 15 seconds long, right? So we want to go to the actual close to the end where it says 11 minutes, 15 seconds. So we're going to go back over here to the right side of the screen where you see underneath the public visibility and subtitles, we're going to click on end screen. You see this? And so when you click on end screen, I already have It's selected, but if you look to it, says, if you see these little boxes, and you have certain boxes, so let's just take those off, right? We're gonna click on, like, we don't have video, right? Click that off, delete, delete, delete. Okay, delete. So now I'm gonna make it so you see right here underneath the discard changes and save. The end of my screen, and remember 11 minutes and 15 seconds, there's nothing, but I showed you how it looked when it first started, right? But this is what it would look like. At the end of you guys' screens, at the end of your videos, it's showing this. So that means when it's just blank, it's gonna go play someone else's videos. If you're lucky, it might play your other video, but many times it's not gonna go there because you're not telling it where to go, right? It thinks, okay, she doesn't have anything else, or he doesn't have anything else he wants to play. So if you look over here to your left side of the screen, underneath in screens, you see this? You'll see elements, import from video. So import latest video. So I normally select this. You would see this, see where the screen, my mouse is going. So I normally select the elements right here where you see two boxes in here. So I'll click on, look, right here. Once I click here, you see how that populated? So now I have selected videos that I want to play. You could have did something else. You could have, like, I'll take this back off again, right? I could have selected two boxes. It's up to your discretion, but because see right here it says two. So you can have like just two videos, and that video will be like a playlist or whatever you select. So, or you can have just a picture and a video, or a video, say a video where it says one video and one subscribe, one playlist, one subscribe. But on mine, I select the three because I want to select a playlist. So if you notice here, I have one playlist that have my I have one playlist that's going to select whatever my current videos are, and then I have another playlist that has my shorts. So in my playlist, and I can show you guys that too. If you don't know how to create a playlist, we can do that another day. But today I'm showing you how to put an end screen at the end of your videos. You see this? So I have a short playlist reel, and I have a long playlist reel. And under here, if you can see this third one, it says video most recently uploaded. So that will be your last video that will display and play for you at the end of your screen. Remember, it starts at like 10 minutes and 54 seconds, and it plays all the way to the end. That's what this does. And so we'll show you how that plays. Let me go to a video, and I can show you, let me show you how that, if you go here to the end screen, go all the way here, and you see where this is how it plays. Okay, if that's gonna, no, it's not gonna allow that play. So we're gonna go to, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna X out of that, and then go back into, we'll show you, I'm gonna show you an actual video, show you how it actually displays what I'm talking about. We'll go here, and I'm gonna go to your the main channel, my channel list, find that particular video, and you go see here, you see that video? Okay, oh God, it comes up with a commercial, but this is what it's, I'm gonna click on here. Now watch, I'm gonna take it, you see here? All the way to the end. So I'm on the timeline, right? You see that? From 1 minute, 30 seconds. I'm going all the way to like 11 minutes. And you go, so right here at, what was it, 10? So right here at 10:50, you see? Now, let's let it play here. Right at 10:50, play. We appreciate you guys for your time. You see this? I'm going to start doing more videos as I can. Now watch. You see the screens? Bam, bam, bam. It's selecting my last video. My last video, and this is my playlist here, my video playlist, and my short playlist. So, today was a day to show you how to insert an end screen, right? An end screen so you can make your video. So the main importance of an end screen is to display your next video. So you'll play that one video, and at the end of the video, you'll be able to play, or they can watch, I'm sorry. As a content creator, at the end of your video you created, you want the viewer to watch the next video, right? Video or playlist. So I hope you guys learned that. I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, and it keeps the viewer on your page a little longer. That's what YouTube wants. They want to keep people watching videos longer, and hopefully it's your video. And how to do that is to add a end screen. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day.